What the is this ish? Fucking snow. Ugh.
Are you like anyone's begging for you to be up in the camera?
You're my partner.
My bad. Just one piece sticking out. Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So good morning, y'all. What up? What it do? What's good? Bonjour.
Gonna be sale online too.
Bonjour. Je m'appelle Anisha.
So I
Comment ça
should've
va?
waited?
So guys, I woke up this morning and I was watching French beginner videos because I'm trying to like, I want to learn how to speak a second language.
So what the hell you take it in school for? You've been taking it since like grade 4.
But I knew some stuff. I need to touch up on some stuff, you know? When you're in school, they don't teach you how to speak French. They teach you like French words.
So what the freak you think you can do with those words? The words together make sentence.
Duh.
It doesn't always work like that. Anyways,
How else do you talk to me?
Keisha's hating on me because I was playing this video and it was like talking really loud and I kept repeating it over and over. But yo, y'all need to check out my sister's vlog channel. It's not really a vlog channel, it's a YouTube channel. It's Shauna Banana, SHAWNABANANAA, something like that.
2 A's at the end.
2 A's at the end of the banana. That's funny. Bunana. But her and her man, her boo, Ramonda.
I know what our combined name is.
What?
Ramona?
Roshana? Ramona.
No, Shamana.
Shimona. And then before you open your vlog, put that Shimona. And then you play the vlog. But anyways, yeah, you guys check out their channel. They're actually funny, and her boyfriend's actually stepping out the shy shell. It reminded me of Ziggy when Ziggy first started vlogging. He was so shy.
It's about you and Ziggy.
Shut the hell up! It's my channel, so it's gonna be about me and Ziggy. Haters. Every time I talk about my bae, they be hating, even though Ziggy hates that word bae.
Take mine, take mine, baby. Yeah, stop.
These little kids be singing grown folk song like, what do you mean tek man for fool? Tek man for fool, tek man for idiot. Stop chat jumping on me.
No, you need to stop chat. That's what you need to do. Stop chat right now.
Yo. So guys, Shauna is so mean. She buys a box of 24 box strings, keeps them in her car, and doesn't even offer me one.
Spit in her eyes.
No, Ramon's that is flinching. She thinks you're gonna do it.
Ramon, say hi.
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 Why is it lively like how you're lively on Shauna's channel? Hi. Think of her, Ramon. I don't know what you think this is. Think
What
of
do you have it
her.
on me? What do you have it on me? Are you supposed to be talking?
She said you must take it and big up yourself. Shout out your YouTube
Say big up
channel.
myself.
What's your YouTube?
Ramon, say it. Say big up
This guy said
myself.
what's our
saying that.
YouTube?
No,
Ramon, please say it.
No.
Say big up myself.
Nope. Maybe one day.
No, say it now.
No, not today.
So big up the people that
So shout out your page
I forgot the page.
in Jamaican.
this guy forgot it.
No.
Shout out
My
to the
Snapchat. I am Ramon.
No, King Leo 333I. Man, that's so close to my face.
I don't know why Ramon's being a boring.
What's wrong with this
I'm
freaking
not.
rapist truck just hitch up on my butt?
I'm not. Ramon said I'm not, Shauna. When Shauna's like, why? What you talking about the truck and it's not? Ah! The hell? Snows.
You didn't get a ticket for driving license.
That's why.
It's from him.
So I'm here eating some grapes because
You guys,
grapes
I have a
is
question.
like. I just hate how there's seeds in them and I'm still eating them. You know, like when Keisha was younger, she used to eat fruits with seeds in them. Her and Mike, we did this to them. We used to tell them if they swallow the seeds in the fruit, that a tree's gonna grow in their belly. And look at me, 26 years old, I'm still eating fruits with the seeds in them. Scared that one day a tree. Hey, just give me the lights.
Do you ever dream of candy-coated raindrops? Since you're sleeping, I just wondered.
Till the next day.
1 p.m.
Have we got to wait till
No,
the next
if
day?
we do that, I'm gonna wake you guys up super early. You're not gonna like it.
Right, Nisha?
Not really. It's cute.
What?
No, 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock.
That's what they do. They'll go to bed late because they want to have fun, and they'll wake up like 2, 3 o'clock. And I'm not waiting 2, 3 o'clock to open my gifts. As soon as yes, they do. I have to force them every year to let me open my presents at 12 o'clock.
You're not opening your presents at 12 o'clock.
Okay, well then you guys are waking up early, and if you're not waking up early, I'm gonna get a pot and a pan from downstairs and I'm gonna get it.
Do it.
Serious question.
If I could zoom in on your baby hair.
Stop.
They fleeky.
Okay guys, my hair.
So I'm at school, guys, stressing with Charity, and she's stressing me out even more. Like, our bio exam is in what, like 2 hours, and we're freaking out. Less than 2 hours. Bio is so much information, like it's so crazy. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Pray for us. And he was gonna go back to study. So guys, today is my dad's. That's how I wish I hide in his room. Today is Papa's birthday.
In the house already?
Yes. Today's my dad's birthday. He actually just got home, so we're about to go in his room. Go quick.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I walked into something. So it's his birthday, so we're actually in his room. Give me some light now. Give me some light. Oh, who's gonna turn the light on?
He's gonna do it himself.
Flower? Turn it on. So right now we're actually hiding from him in his room. He's coming.
There's so damn light.
Yeah, come over, Keisha. He's coming right now. So guys, this was the biggest fail. We've been in the room for how long, and he just didn't come in the room.
That's what I thought this girl did.
What happened? He put the TV on downstairs. He put the TV on, I told you guys. I'm trying to sing happy birthday in this. I'm joking. Let's wrap him up, wrap him up. No.
Happy birthday
To you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! No longer waiting in your room for you. But you had to go put the TV on first. You no longer up there? I'm done. You already start eating. These aren't yours.
What?
Those aren't yours.
Wait, you're gonna have the rest of your meals on its
No, you have to wait, Daddy.
Yeah.
You wait.
meals on its way.
Do you have anything to say to the
Don't be a
cameras?
brat and take your
I didn't
card.
eat all day.
And take this card out of
Did you say
the
the cameras? Hi,
Don't be a brat.
All foot.
Hey.
Happy birthday. This is from your mom.
Let me guess what it is.
Open it, Daddy. Read it first. Happy birthmas.
I don't get it.
Birthday, Christmas.
I need break.
Open it,
I
Daddy.
hope it's
No.
a wallet.
Why?
Why? That would be rude. Don't open it,
I
Daddy.
haven't seen it put
Daddy,
in.
what are you doing with a knife?
No, you cannot use a knife.
Right here. Look.
What? No, wait, pause. Who uses a knife to open a Christmas?
It's not even like it's an envelope or something. They put like soft papers.
I gotta save the paper for next birthday. I don't
Or
wanna.
say for Keisha's Christmas gift.
Yeah, for you guys for Christmas gift. That's what I gotta do.
So anyway, we're about to dig in.
Me hungry.
All foot.
Me hungry.
Guys, my dad's 60, you know. Isn't that crazy? 60 never looks so good. I'm joking. Huh? Look at all this food. Look at all this food.
Guys, you got back ice.
These are all the wings we bought.
I need a bigger tray though.
Daddy snapped. I know.
I'm hungry. Leave my father.
Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in a doo-doo. Boo-doo-be-doo, boo-boo-dee-boo.
Ramon, where are you?
That's so racist to yourself.
Like blow that.
How old are you now?
I forgot when
Happy
you blow it out now.
birthday to you. Forgot when to blow out the
When
candle.
you blow it out? Now?
Now.
You smoke too much.
Don't blow your breath all over the candle. I'm joking.
You guys scarring my father?
It's a joke. Yay! One more year, Punny Bogode.
Stop.
Turn the light on, Keisha.
Could we do it again? That was fun.
That was.
Is there any more sparkles?
Yeah, there is. You want one?
No.
Oh, sorry.
I will cut the cake. Hey, let's save these for next year. They're not all the way burnt.
I know. Every year, right?
But no, we could save them. They're not all the way burnt.
I know how to refresh them. You just put wax back over it. I'm talking to.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you. And I'm saving these candles for next year. Nah.
I think I'm in.
They was bit my finger.
So what do you expect me to push out of my mouth? Right.
I put my finger like touch his teeth like his mouth came out my finger.
You're lucky me didn't bite it off. Me I say, oh, the cake tastes so tough.
Happy birthday to me, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Nice shirt. Wipe it off.
No.
I have no napkin.
No fear. Shout out to Team No Fear. What kind of cake is it?
I want a
Strawberry shortcake.
Oh,
You know
hell
the
yeah.
strawberries on top of it?
Strawberry shortcake is my favorite cake. Wow, I can't even talk. Care. Shut up, Ramon.
Ramona.
Duh.
Steps.
They just are huge pieces.
I just got that. It's only half the
That's
strawberry.
so annoying.
Somebody-
So annoying. I need to tell my father. Look at his nose. You guys pardon the whipped cream on his nose, but it's
And
okay.
outside his face.
Tell them thank
So
you.
much about
It's not unusual to be loved
By
by
anyone. Dun, 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 dun.
When you're too young to know these songs.
Dun, 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 dun. Go Shauna. Go Shauna. Hey, go Shauna. Hit the quad now. Hit the quad. Yes, Keisha, hit the quad.
want to be loved by anyone. Oh, for the birthday wishes, yes man, thank you so much.
About to go dig into this cake. I didn't vlog today, I didn't vlog yesterday because you guys should already know I'm in school and you know it's exam time, so I'm just focused on my exams right now. But don't worry, my vlog channel is about to be turned up and you guys are gonna find out in a couple of days or a week why. You guys are gonna love me so much. Oh yeah, I am gonna go study, but can I talk to the people then one time? So let me tell you guys how today I had my bio exam, right? And I've been studying like crazy. Like, I woke up early this morning, I studied. I've been studying for the past couple of days, right? Now, as it got to like half an hour before my exam, right? Let me tell you guys how I went into panic mode because the people around me were going into panic mode. And it's like, as I entered the gym where everybody was, like over 200 students was up in there, right? So, I went to go sit down now. Okay, I'm done. Let me stop talking like that. I went to go sit down and I'm looking at my exam and I'm like, holy shit, I'm forgetting everything and I'm like freaking out. I'm just like,
Breathe, Nisha, breathe. Relax. Relax. You know it. Just relax.
I'm thinking is like, I just want to turn the book over and just write everything out. I'm out of breath. I'm talking too fast. As I opened up the friggin' exam. First of all, let me tell you guys how bio, I do not like, okay, I like bio, but when it comes to tests and all that stuff, I don't like it. And the reason why I don't like it is because there's too much information to remember. It's not like chem or math, where it's like, okay, you have a couple equations and this is the problem. Like, this is the way to solve them. No, bio is straight knowledge, straight, every word's like, my brain, okay? My brain is overloaded. But anyways, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I answered as much as I could, but like, I'm not too excited about it. But anyways, I'm not gonna doubt myself because every time I've doubted myself during this semester, I end up doing way better than I thought. But I just hate when you like study so much and it's like what you studied was like not even half the exam. Just leaving it in God's hands right now. Father, please. I'll beg and ask you, please just let me pass the exam. Please, Lord. I'm so dramatic, I know, but like when it comes to my school, I take it very serious. You know, you gotta, like, this is my grades that I'm talking about right now. But I'm just praying that I did good overall. I'm really dramatic. Don't you guys think I'm a little too dramatic? But it's just fun to make your stories dramatic because then, you know, it just sounds better. Anyways, I have a math exam tomorrow. Yay for math. I am about to go and study. I'm not too stressed out about math because right now, you know, your girl got a 92 up in math. A 92. All I'm tasting is onion right now. I'm about to go hold a little shower because, you know, I am cold. And I just want to go shower and hop up in my bed and study for my math. And then on Friday, I have my chem exam. Chemistry, I'm actually excited for. I'm not really too worried about it. There's a couple of stuff I got to go over, so yeah. I didn't vlog yesterday, as I said before, because, you know, it's exam week and I'm really just focused on my exam. Yes, YouTube is life right now, but at the moment, school is more important and school is more like life right now.
Is it over yet? Guys, I'm so beat. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because for the rest of the night,
To study.
morning, I'm not gonna be doing anything but just continue to study. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I didn't really do too much, but just celebrating my pop's birthday. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in tomorrow. I think I'm not even gonna say I'm a day behind because technically this is 2 vlogs in one. So I'll see you guys in day 14. Hopefully I can vlog tomorrow because I don't want to fall behind on this vlogmas. But see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Later.